Hey everyone! Welcome back to Asset Zenith, your go-to source for long-term financial wisdom, smart investment strategies, and life-changing money advice. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of financially empowered thinkers. Today's topic is one that touches millions of lives: debt. But don't worry, this isn't a doom and gloom session. In fact, this is your step-by-step blueprint to regain control of your finances, eliminate debt the smart way, and build a strong credit profile that works for you, not against you. Introduction: Why smart debt management matters. Debt is a double-edged sword. Used wisely, it can help you buy a home, go to college, or start a business. But mismanaged, it can drag you into a cycle of stress, limited financial options, and poor credit scores. In 2025, the average American carries over $100,000 in debt, from student loans, credit cards, auto loans, and more. If you're in debt, you're not alone. But staying there? That's optional. This video will walk you through the psychology of debt, strategies to reduce and eliminate debt, how to build and rebuild your credit score, and how to use debt strategically, not emotionally. Let's begin by understanding what kind of debt we're dealing with. Part 1. Know your debt. Good versus bad. Good debt is money borrowed for things that grow in value or generate long-term income, like student loans. Education boosts earning potential. Mortgages, property often appreciates. Business loans, to grow income or equity. Bad debt is typically high-interest borrowing for depreciating assets or unnecessary consumption, such as credit card debt, payday loans, auto loans with high interest rates. Step 1 of smart debt management: identify your debt type and its cost. Ask yourself, what is the interest rate? Is this debt helping me build wealth? How long will I carry it? Part 2. Assess the damage. Understand your debt situation. To fix your debt problem, you need a clear picture. Create a debt inventory sheet. List each debt: lender, balance, interest rate, monthly payment. Note due dates and penalties for late payments. Identify which debts are revolving: credit cards versus installment, student loans, car loans. This awareness alone often reduces anxiety and gives you power over the problem. Bonus tip: use budgeting tools like You Need a Budget, Mint, or Google Sheets to track this. Part 3. Choose your payoff strategy: Snowball versus Avalanche. There are two proven methods for paying off debt. 1. The Snowball method. Focus on the smallest balance first. Pay minimums on all other debts. As each small debt is paid off, roll its payment into the next smallest. Pros: motivating, quick wins. Cons: may cost more in interest long term. 2. The Avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest rate debt first. Pay minimums on others. Once that's paid off, move to the next highest interest rate. Pros: saves the most money. Cons: takes longer to feel progress. Pick one that fits your personality. Are you motivated by quick wins or long-term efficiency? Part 4. Stop the bleeding. Freeze new debt. You can't get out of a hole while digging deeper. Here's how to stop accumulating debt. Cut up or freeze credit cards. Literally put them in ice if needed. Avoid buy now, pay later traps. Don't co-sign loans. Put a pause on major purchases unless essential. You can also request a lower interest rate from credit card companies. Many will agree, especially if you have a history of on-time payments. Part 5. Build your credit. While paying down debt. Paying off debt is great, but building credit at the same time is smart. Why? Because credit determines your interest rates, your ability to rent a home, sometimes even job applications. Here's how to boost your score. Pay on time. Your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. Keep credit utilization under 30%. Keep old accounts open. Age of credit matters. Diversify credit types. Installment plus revolving. Check your credit report annually at annualcreditreport.com for free. Consider a secured credit card or credit builder loan if you're starting from scratch. Part 6. Master your mindset. Stay motivated. Debt is emotional. Shame, guilt, stress. These are common companions, but the right mindset can change everything. Try this. Visualize your debt-free life. Travel, home ownership, freedom. Celebrate milestones. Every $1,000 paid off matters. Join a financial support group or forum, like Our Personal Finance on Reddit. Most importantly, forgive yourself for past financial decisions. This journey is about progress, not perfection. Part 7. Side hustles and extra income. Speed up the process. Want to crush debt faster? Increase your income. Ideas that work in 2025. Freelancing. Upwork, Fiverr. Remote tutoring or coaching. Rideshare or delivery. Uber, DoorDash. Selling unused items. Facebook Marketplace, eBay. Passive income ideas like print on demand or affiliate marketing. Put 100% of extra income toward debt. Think of it as buying back your freedom. Commentary. Real talk from the financial trenches. Let's be real. Paying off debt is not glamorous. There are no quick fixes. It takes sacrifice, consistency, and sometimes it feels like nothing is happening. But every dollar you redirect from interest to your future is a win. Every time you say no to a splurge and yes to your goals, you're rewriting your financial story. And over time, debt shrinks, credit improves, confidence returns. This is your money comeback story. Conclusion. The big picture. Smart debt management isn't just about math. It's about strategy, psychology, and discipline. To recap, know your debt types and costs. Make a debt inventory. Pick a payoff method, Snowball or Avalanche. Freeze new debt. Build credit alongside repayment. Shift your mindset. Use extra income wisely. Whether you're drowning in credit card bills or just want to clean up your student loans, you can start today. Small steps add up. Final goodbye. Thanks for sticking with us to the end. We hope today's guide gave you both clarity and confidence to tackle your debt smartly and build the strong financial foundation you deserve. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with debt? Or what's one win you've had recently? Like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who could use a financial reset. Until next time, stay wise, stay wealthy, and remember, debt is temporary. Freedom is forever. Asset Zenith.